Friends, brothers, and sisters, we gather here today not just as individuals, but as a collective of souls, each yearning for something more, something deeper, something truly meaningful in this journey we call life. And I ask you today, what is that yearning? What is that whisper in your heart that calls you to be more, to do more, to experience more? I believe, my friends, that whisper is the call of your passion. What is passion truly? Is it merely a fleeting excitement, a temporary spark? No, I say to you, passion is the fire within. It is the burning desire that fuels our dreams, ignites our actions, and illuminates our path. It's that incredible force that gets you out of bed in the morning, eager to face the day and embrace the challenges and opportunities it holds. Think about the moments in your life when you felt truly alive, truly engaged, truly passionate. What were you doing? What were you feeling? Perhaps you were lost in a creative project, your mind racing with ideas and possibilities. Maybe you were helping someone in need, feeling the profound joy of making a difference. Or perhaps you were simply spending time with loved ones, your heart overflowing with love and connection. These moments, my friends, these are glimpses into the life we are meant to live, a life fueled by passion. But so often, we allow this fire to dim. We get caught up in the routines of daily life, the pressures of society, the doubts and fears that creep into our minds. We let our passions lie dormant, buried beneath layers of obligation and expectation. But I tell you today, it is time to reignite that fire. It is time to awaken the passion that resides within each and every one of you. Because passion is not just a feeling, it is a force. It is the engine that drives us towards purpose and fulfillment. And what is purpose? Purpose is the compass that guides our journey. It is the understanding of why we are here, what we are meant to contribute, and what impact we want to leave on the world. Passion and purpose, they are intertwined, inseparable. Passion fuels our pursuit of purpose, and purpose gives direction and meaning to our passion. When you live a life aligned with your purpose, fueled by your passion, you unlock the door to true fulfillment. Fulfillment is not just about achieving goals or accumulating possessions. It is about something much deeper, much richer. It is about experiencing a sense of inner peace, of deep satisfaction, of knowing that you are living in accordance with your values, your beliefs, your truest self. Living a life of purpose and fulfillment is not always easy. There will be challenges, obstacles, setbacks. There will be times when you feel discouraged, when you doubt yourself, when you want to give up. But it is in these moments that your passion becomes even more crucial. It is your passion that will sustain you through the difficult times, that will remind you of why you started, that will give you the strength to persevere. So how do we ignite our passion and live a life of purpose and fulfillment? Firstly, explore your interests. What excites you? What captivates your attention? What makes you lose track of time? Don't dismiss anything as silly or impractical. Allow yourself to be curious, to experiment, to try new things. Secondly, identify your values. What is truly important to you? What do you stand for? What kind of world do you want to create? Your values will guide your purpose and give meaning to your actions. Thirdly, take action. Passion without action is just a dream. Purpose without action is just an idea. Start small, but start today. Take one step, then another, then another. The momentum will build, and you will be amazed at what you can achieve when you are driven by passion and purpose. Fourthly, surround yourself with inspiration. Seek out people who are living passionate, purposeful lives. Read books, watch films, listen to podcasts that inspire you. Let their energy and enthusiasm fuel your own. And finally, never give up on yourself. Believe in your potential, trust your intuition, and know that you are capable of living an extraordinary life. The world needs your passion, your purpose, your unique gifts. My friends, ignite your passion. Live a life of purpose and fulfillment. Embrace the fire within and let it illuminate your path and inspire the world around you. Let us all strive to live lives that are not just long, but truly meaningful, truly passionate, truly fulfilling. Thank you